So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your profile picture in your Bitget wallet account. So guys, if you don't like your current profile picture or you have outgrown it, but you don't know how to change your profile picture, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open the app first. So guys, once you do so, you just need to press on the home button over here. Since originally after you log in, you would be in this page, so you just need to select home over here. Now look at the top left corner with the 4 circle button. So once you tap there, you'll see even more options like preferences, study, join us, and any more. You just need to look at the my wallet option and tap there. And once you're here, you'll see options like wallet name, profile picture, private key, backup memories, and many more. You can see the profile picture right between wallet name and private key, so you just need to tap there. And now just go ahead and select what you want your profile picture to be. If you have NFT, then you can also choose that. You can also choose a profile picture through your gallery, or you can just click it, select your camera, and enable camera and press. Now you tap on use photo, tap on done, and as you can see, you have successfully changed your profile picture in your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.